Hello, my name is Jovit Hinebre, your professor in this virtual school year. Today I am going to introduce to you our subject and give you a glimpse of what we will be doing this school year. But before that, let me present to you first this poem on the recent pandemic scenario, a thought-provoking message to move with present times passage. For you to catch a hold without a doubt. Why surround lives in dark cloud and let leave the beast all throughout. Poem composed by J.K. Jiwani, FCCA. Yes, I do believe that God has a perfect plan. That purpose, I guess, will depend on how we go in. And that's for sure will give us a big impact in our life. So, why I am saying this? Because in our subject, PE3, which has a course description of sports and recreational activity, is one of those subjects that is very complicated to teach in this pandemic. Well, for now, maybe we can get an idea, for I am going to introduce to you the course syllabus. This course syllabus is already posted in our page. So if you wanted to go back and read, you're free to open my folder, Jovit Hinebre, and look for the course syllabus in PE3. So the course description of our subject is sports and recreational activity. And this subject is anything that is stimulating and rejuvenating for an individual. Some people enjoy nature hikes, others are mountain climbing, and the idea behind these activities is to expand the mind and body in a positive and healthy way. Another is that it is also an examination of the recreational activities pertinent to schools, camps, recreational centers, and churches. This course discusses the leadership role, the recreation director in supervising, directing volunteers, and other personnel in the recreational programs. The course goals of this subject is designed to enable the student to do the following. Letter A, gain a better understanding of the basic principle of leadership in a leisure setting. B is develop leadership skills and gain practical experience leading a recreational activity. Letter C is gain a greater a- Letter C is gain a greater appreciation of the importance and scope of a sound recreation leadership program. Letter D is gain an understanding of the role of ethics and values in leisure leadership. The last is discuss the nature of different recreational activity. And the course objectives is as a result of completing this course, the student will be able to do the following. A is demonstrate the proper procedures for managing a recreational facility. B is relate leadership theory to their own life experiences. C is discuss the ages and stages of life and how they can integrate into leadership concept. Letter D is discuss techniques for leaders for effectively meet the needs of a variety of constituents. Let us not forget that every recreational activities have values derived in it. In general, the values derived from recreational activities are social, physical, cultural, and intellectual. So I am going to meet you again to have our first chapter in this subject. For now, that will be all. Thank you.
Kick